Have you ever watched someone walk away from your life and secretly hoped they would one day realize what they lost? Perhaps it was a woman you loved deeply, a woman you sacrificed for, a woman you gave your time, energy, attention, and loyalty. Yet despite everything you did, she still left. And when she left, 1,000 thoughts raced through your mind. Should you call her? Should you text her? Should you fight for another chance? Should you prove your worth? Most men make the same mistake. They believe the fastest way to make a woman regret losing them is to convince her that she made the wrong choice. So they chase, they beg, they explain, they try to remind her of everything they did for her. But history teaches us a different lesson. Throughout history, the men who left the greatest impact were never the ones who desperately chased approval. They were the men who turned rejection into transformation, the men who used pain as fuel, the men who became so strong, so disciplined, and so valuable that the people who doubted them could only watch in silence as they rose. Because the truth is this: a woman rarely regrets losing a man because he begged her to stay. She regrets losing him when she sees the man he became after she left. Not because he was trying to impress her, but because he finally discovered his own worth. In today's video, you'll discover why chasing her back destroys your value, why emotional strength is more powerful than revenge, and how some of history's greatest men transformed loss into greatness. Most importantly, you'll learn the one thing that makes a woman deeply regret losing you. And it's probably not what you think. Before we begin, subscribe to Stoic Golden Tribe and join a community of men committed to self-respect, strength, and wisdom. And tell me in the comments, have you ever had someone realize your value only after they lost access to you? Now let's begin. The mistake most men make after losing her. More than 2,000 years ago, a young Roman named Julius Caesar faced rejection and humiliation long before he became one of history's most powerful men. There were moments when people underestimated him, moments when others doubted his future, moments when he could have spent his energy trying to convince people of his value. But Caesar understood something many men never learn. Your value is not proven through arguments. It is proven through action. Yet when a woman leaves, most men do the exact opposite. They begin sending long messages, they try to explain themselves, they call repeatedly. They search for ways to make her understand what she is losing, but the harder they try to hold on, the more they push her away. Think about it. If someone has already decided to walk away, what does constant chasing communicate? It communicates fear. It communicates desperation. And most importantly, it communicates that your happiness depends on their decision. A man who places his entire worth in the hands of another person unknowingly gives away his power. Imagine two men after a breakup. The first spends every day checking her social media, waiting for a message, and replaying old memories. The second feels the same pain, but instead of chasing her, he starts rebuilding himself. He exercises, he learns new skills, he focuses on his purpose. He creates a life that doesn't depend on anyone's approval. Months later, which man is more likely to be respected? The answer is obvious. The painful truth is that the moment a woman leaves is often the moment a man discovers who he really is, and the men who grow from that pain become impossible to ignore, because people rarely regret losing the man who chased them. They regret losing the man who became stronger without them. Have you ever made the mistake of chasing someone who had already decided to leave? Let me know in the comments. Why chasing her destroys your value. One of the most respected men in Roman history was Marcus Aurelius. As emperor, he had power, wealth, and influence. Yet what made him remarkable was not what he controlled around him. It was what he controlled within himself. Marcus Aurelius understood a truth that many men struggle to accept. You cannot control another person's choices. You cannot force someone to love you. You cannot make someone stay. And the moment you stop trying to control what is beyond your reach, you begin to regain control of your own life. After a breakup, many men become obsessed with changing a woman's mind. They think one more message will fix everything. One more phone call, one more explanation. But if someone truly wants to be in your life, they do not need to be convinced. They choose to stay. Real strength is not found in chasing. Real strength is found in accepting reality and moving forward. Consider a man who spends months trying to get his ex back. Every day he wonders what she is doing. Every day he waits for a reply. Without realizing it, he has made her the center of his world. Now imagine another man, he feels the same heartbreak, but instead of focusing on her, he focuses on himself. He develops discipline, he improves his health, he invests in his future. Slowly, his confidence returns, not because she came back, but because he stopped abandoning himself. And that is the irony of life. The moment you stop chasing validation, you become more valuable. The moment you stop seeking approval, you begin earning respect. Because the strongest message a man can send is not a text, it is a life well lived. Have you ever realized that letting go gave you more peace than holding on? Share your experience in the comments. The transformation. She never expected. History is filled with stories of men who were underestimated. One of them was Themistocles, an Athenian leader who was often doubted and dismissed by those around him. Yet, instead of wasting his energy trying to prove people wrong, he focused on becoming so capable that his results spoke for themselves. And eventually, the same people who ignored him could no longer ignore what he had become. The same principle applies after a breakup. Many men spend months hoping a woman will notice their pain. But pain alone changes nothing. Transformation changes everything. The truth is that your greatest opportunity often arrives disguised as a loss. The relationship ends. The disappointment hurts. The loneliness feels unbearable, but for the first time in a long time, you are forced to face yourself, your habits, your weaknesses, your untapped potential. And that is where real growth begins. Imagine a man who decides to use his heartbreak as fuel. Instead of spending every evening reliving old memories, he starts building a stronger future. He exercises consistently, he reads more, he develops valuable skills. He becomes more confident, disciplined, and focused. Month after month, he becomes a different version of himself. Not overnight, not through motivation alone, but through daily effort. And one day, he looks in the mirror and realizes something important. He is no longer trying to become better so that she will notice. He is becoming better because he respects himself. That is the transformation she never expected. Because the man who once feared losing her has become a man who refuses to lose himself. And when a man reaches that point, his entire life begins to change. Have you ever turned a painful experience into a positive transformation? Share your story in the comments. When she finally realizes what she lost, there is an interesting pattern that repeats itself throughout life. People often fail to appreciate something while it is easily available, but once it is gone, they begin to see its value more clearly. This is not just true in relationships, it is true in friendships, opportunities, and even time itself. Many years ago, the Roman general Scipio Africanus earned respect not by demanding recognition, but by becoming a man whose actions could not be ignored. His reputation was built through discipline, patience, and achievement. And that is exactly how regret is created. Not through revenge, not through jealousy, not through trying to make someone feel guilty, but through growth. Imagine that months or even years have passed since the breakup. The man who once felt broken has rebuilt his life. He carries himself differently. He speaks with confidence. He has goals, purpose, and self-respect. Most importantly, he no longer needs validation from the woman who left, and that is often when something unexpected happens. She notices the change. She sees the strength that emerged from the struggle. She realizes that the man she once took for granted is no longer the same person. For some women, that realization becomes regret. For others, it becomes curiosity. But by then, something even more important has happened. The man has moved forward. Because the greatest victory was never making her regret losing him, the greatest victory was becoming a man who no longer needed her regret to feel valuable. That is the lesson most men miss. When you focus on making someone regret losing you, you remain trapped in the past. But when you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, you create a future that is bigger than any disappointment. And ironically, that is often the very thing that makes people realize what they lost. Have you ever seen someone recognize your value only after you stopped chasing their approval? Let me know in the comments.